Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Boost Unavailable. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that your account is under professional mode or use a Facebook page. All right, so if you want to use your own profile, just go ahead and tap on your profile, go to the top right, tap on the three dots and tap on unlock profile if it's locked, and then turn on pro mode will be available right here. So go ahead and tap on it, enable it, and once done, you can now then go ahead and find the post that you wanted to boost. For example, this one. So go ahead and tap on the three dots and then find a boost post. All right. So if that still won't work, you need to go ahead and open up your profile again. Go to the very top, and we are going to tap on the three dots once more. Tap on profile status or page status if you're using a page. All right. So go ahead and tap on it. You'll be able to see a red flag right here. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on submit a review or request a review. All right. So that the ban will be lifted. Now, if you can't boost a post and there is a page and you got multiple mates right there, right? So ensure that you are assigned to an admin or editor role of the Facebook page, as moderators cannot boost posts. Also, if you're trying to boost a reel with tappable elements like face effects, interactive stickers, or product tags, recreate and publish the reel without those elements, as well as without using a copyrighted music. And that is how you fix a Facebook Boost Unavailable. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.